How to cancel Spotify Premium on iPhone. So basically, if you want to cancel your Spotify Premium on iPhone, if you have been trying to do it from the Spotify app, you won't be able to do so. So you have to actually open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, you simply need to go to spotify.com. So it's as simple as that, because you will not be able to cancel the subscription from the Spotify app. Now once you go to spotify.com and log in, if you don't have premium, it will ask you to get premium. So in my case, I don't have, but if you do have, once you come here and log into your account, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you can simply go to the premium section or the view account section there, and once you've gone there, you will there be able to see the option to cancel your premium subscription. This way you can cancel Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.